Health experts say there is a lot of misinformation circling around about COVID-19. What is true is that Omicron, the variant, spreads fast.
That's right. But doctors say posts on social media that say Omicron is the one to get should be ignored. Nabil Remadna talked to an expert who explains why it is spreading faster than the other variants.
The Omicron variant, you probably know someone who's tested positive.
Right now, we are seeing more community spread. We are seeing more cases, more hospitalizations.
You might have even heard phrases like, if you're going to get COVID, this is the variant you want, or symptoms are mild with this variant, so it's not that bad. Not a good way of thinking, say the experts.
We are still learning about this virus.
Dr. Elizabeth Kawame is an infectious disease specialist with Baylor Scott & White. She says Omicron can still cause severe disease, hospitalization, and even death. Even if you have mild symptoms, they can persist for months and affect multiple organs, which is called long COVID.
The report that we are getting, and actually some studies that suggest that the virus may replicate less in the lungs. So maybe the virus is replicating more in the upper airway, which also could contribute more to being more transmissible virus.
Kawame says early reports show Omicron is 3 times more transmissible than Delta. And as the virus continues to spread, that can mean more mutations.
Specifically for Omicron, what we are finding is that there are more mutations in the spike protein, which is a key area that help the virus attach to the cells of the humans.
The best defense is to get vaccinated with a booster. You can still get the virus with the vaccine, but medical experts say if you're vaccinated, you greatly reduce your chance of getting severely ill.
All right, thanks, Nabil. A lot of good information there. And taking a deeper look into protection against the virus, you know doctors say wearing a mask can prevent infection. It's the N95 that's the best choice to filter out the particles of the virus. But according to a local doctor with Dell, there are some that could be more harmful.
There's a word of warning in that there are fraudulent masks out there, but there are ways to ensure that you're getting an authentic mask. So 3M is a company that makes some of the masks, and they have a way to validate the authenticity.
She says out of all the masks, cloth masks can still offer protection, but they're not as high quality as surgical masks or the N95 masks.